Hello YouTube, good morning, back at it again. This is January, new point of view. Got you on my camera. I wanted to got my goodies, so I wanted to check the oils together. And I want to do a sound check, cold start, 2 degrees below zero. Look at that green color on the screen, wow. He is so beautiful. So uno momento, everything's locked. You know, I can adjust. Click. That's aftermarket. They put it in later. Now the vacuum pump is pumping for all of the doors. We got some sort of vacuum leak. It's cold inside, guys. So I'm gonna open the hood. Oi. Do a cold start. And I'm gonna lay the microphone there. Un momento, por favor. How's the point of view? No, I'm not like that. I can adjust on the fly. Hi, good morning. You see on the camera. Check the oil. First I need to get myself a cloth. Already got that one here. Look at that engine, guys. With the 4K camera. Hey. Oh, a little low, guys. You need to give them some oil. And cool fluid stuff also. You need to give her some cool fluid stuff. I'm gonna do a startup. I'm gonna lay the microphone down there. Hope starts up. The beast is woken up, guys. So it needs to have some oil. Running finish. Cool fluid stuff. Not that bad. Just a small movie for the test for the sound. Oh. Little bit of ASMR point of view in the car. Look how green the machine is in the sunlight. Wow. So flip over this, put it on defrost, let it warm up a little bit. It goes quite fast. Yeah, what are we looking at, guys? We're looking at. Oh, good morning. Oh, a lot of smoke. So taking some oil. Over about look at the smoke, guys. Hope you can see it. Oh, no, you can. Yeah, this point of view is a little bit strange. Oh. Well, guys, thank you for watching. It was a little test. We did the oil, we did a startup. So let us see how this works out.